Hey, what is up, guys? The top weapons, in my opinion. Let's start with low selection. In my opinion, the devotion has a spread. Yeah, so we're just gonna show you how much damage this thing. So 700 plus damage. You could go through 3 people's health and then some. One clip. That just shows you how. And Spitfire. I'm gonna have to go with Spit, as it does have extremely very high headshot damage, body damage. Really hard. Went up to 700 damage. It's gotta be the one. No damage drop off, 45 to the body. Increase that with the hop up mod. It's the skull piercing. Alright. I have to go with the R301. It's got a really nice fire rate. It does have quite a low. When you're hitting that's 28 headshot. 15. So if you got extended mag, damage. Nice weapon. Also the R9. It does have a low clip, but you're gonna have to be. Alright, now for the shotguns. Alright, I normally would say the Peacekeeper guy, but in my it's just a personal preference. It's a body shot damage. It's automatic. You don't really have to tap the trigger. 90 damage. So if you're accurate and have it pairs really nice with the wing. It's quite a nice gun. Peacekeeper is good too, but it requires a little bit more accuracy and higher risk, but could have a higher reward. This one's kind of Master Shock. 80. 108. Faster fire. It's actually like only comes from supply drops. These ones. This is the Kraber. Really low ammo. It's a 12 in. It does have that one shot potential. Those are my opinions for each ammo type. If you guys agree or disagree, feel free.